The cost of delivering healthcare rises every year, potentially eroding the ability to deliver quality of care and increasing the pressure on frontline medical staff and on the profitability of health and aged care operators. Hospitals and aged care facilities are complex environments with multiple stakeholders. All have different needs. A patient who has a stroke in their private room and falls, an event which goes unnoticed. A care worker develops a fever during their shift. Several drugs have gone missing from the chemist lockup. An elderly resident has missed his routine activities due to illness, but this decline has gone unnoticed. A patient with dementia joins a group of visitors and sneaks out of a secure facility and goes missing. Intense workloads and prolonged working hours lead to increased errors, slow response times, longer hospital stays, and poorer health outcomes for clients. We have developed a comprehensive and multi-sensory AI technology, including video analysis, sound, and smell, to automate repetitive and time-consuming activities, to act as a workforce multiplier which acts to empower healthcare workers deliver better, more personalised, timely quality care. We provide real-time alerts for any critical incidents while protecting privacy using GDPR compliant systems, including contextualized information to nearest responders. We predictively detect high-risk patients' illness and behaviour to provide the right treatment at the right time and reduce risks or accidents. For example, providing life-saving tools to alert nurses for any accidents or collapsed patients, notifications provided to cleaners about wet floors to prevent slips, the capability to deliver multiple fever reads in a crowded room, to offload nurses' manual one-by-one temperature checks, and the ability to notify nearest responders immediately of any high fever patients to prevent spreading of infections, detect drug theft and connected people involved in breaches of secure areas, and the ability to support dementia patients to roam freely but within a secure perimeter. These care automation enhancements empower medical teams, operations managers, and executives, providing a pathway to better care through intelligent automation, helping health staff prioritize more effectively and work more efficiently, achieving their required KPIs in less time with greater impact. Our platform solution is highly cost-effective. For example, our FeverCheck infection control system pays back within 4 weeks. WildFaces delivers the most comprehensive suite of AI-based multi-sensory products in the world, leveraging its world-leading technology portfolio with over 70 international patents and ranking number 1 on Gartner's list for the most comprehensive portfolio of AI-based video analytics software worldwide. Always doing more with less.